RiseUp created a real turning point in my career journey. It helped me move from just having past experience in the e-commerce domain to gaining a practical knowledge in ServiceNow. Through hands-on labs, projects, and guidance from the instructors, I was able to rebuild my technical confidence. It also connected me with a supportive community of learners, which kept me motivated. Today, I feel more prepared and focused to pursue opportunities because of this RiseUp program.
To me, RiseUp is a journey of transformation. It symbolizes resilience, fulfillment, and empowerment. I have learned valuable skills through this program, and most importantly, it brought me closer to my dream of building a strong career.
It gave me the confidence to build my professional skills. It gave me the access to learning, and the mentorship I got from the program was really amazing. So it was not just about a training program, but a turning point. A pause in your journey doesn't mean it's the end of your journey. With the right support, you can rise up.
RiseUp is not about just the technical skills, it's about growing as a person. You will come out not just about the certification or the knowledge, but with the confidence, resilience, and the supportive network. I would suggest someone who want to start the program, be consistent to your activity, your performance, give your 100% so that it can change your life, your career. If you give your best, they will surprise how much you can achieve.